let's go outside. We can hang out.
No, the color like that. Look on the brown. Under that purple one, the man socks, the brown one. Yeah. How much fee? 100. Yeah, traffic. You see no more under there? We keep more socks too, you know. Cause sometimes the place get cold. You take one of these so. Walk around your son. Let me look down here and done so you go upstairs. Alright, so everybody give me in Lotus now. Lotus. Alright.
Them nice to come in the phone. It's so nice.
Oh, it's not the spray. Smell nice.
He wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But
Hey, I'm not buy that. Alright, so upstairs Lotus. Jesus. Oh man. What's the price to sir? I don't have them shirts here. 6,800. That's the price of that one, yeah. And that. No price. Market, so. Oh, look at me still not for mama. You know, more something like this to the bathroom. Or this a vacuum. I think she would love here. We must can get something in here.
That's something more strong, like the curtain, like something like that.
So she would love the rose, even white rose. One band curtain something for my grandmother, but really and truly, I look at all of them have it, but. I'm gonna buy some of the Christmas already, girl. Oh, let me show you my hair. Oh, see Lotus stuff here. So, I'm have curtain, as usual. The same something that I'm always coming here and show, no? And then we can start flowers here. Alright, so, come here, we'll go. Come, darling. Come, oh, green bug. The girl could space electrician. She'll behave like an electrician or technician. Technician. Alright. Okay, sorry darling. You will look too big. Come Jada, you slim as possible. Jada, you know me have a juice jug? I pause video every day I show people outside and where they cut the water back in the half and sweet my juice in there. I can't hold it for juice. That's too ghetto though. We need a juice jug. Come. I'm show it for my video too, you know what you say? I realness. Look at this juice jug on there, so. No one juice jug for true. I can't live my life, so. You know what? You know the juice. You know what else I'm gonna have, Jada? Wash brush. When you go wash one rub. And at the spray hose, I have to spray for something to do. No wash brush. I'm not use wash brush with you. You have wash brush? Wait there. Make got the wash brush there. Okay, I don't need it now. I'm not washing my rug now. Oh, as usual. Alright, so I got my juice, mama. Oh, may I go get that now? Jada,
From one can get this.
I don't want that. I want something nice like this. I like far away, but that little. Look on this.
Nice. We are talking about things that we know where it smells really.
No, we not pull it and smell it. No, this is one little lotion. That little bit. Just smell it. I'm not spray it. You can just smell it. You can feel it. I like package.
Smell bad.
Yeah, it's not even. No, sir. Let's just stick to it. I'm by pissing about it. It's not Nelatal, it's only a chan. Nah, Nelatal. Nah, Nelatal.
No, about the cocoa or the
Let me smell it.
She's testing the bamboo silver now.
Hey. You have to set it so. So you have video all
In our way.
Oh. You must see the olive pot.
Peace, love, and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace. No one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday brings.
Grandmother, may I tell you the truth? We go through hell and powder house to buy that something here because the price for it, I just never think it worth it. But because I'm a granny, yeah. Because I'm a granny and she did love it. Actually, I sent her the picture about 2 months ago. No, about a month ago. I'll laugh and fight things that she wouldn't like it. Because the thing is, we used to grow up with the actual real crotney around our yard. So when we send her to laugh and fight, she love it. But the price, Lord, I don't like the price. But come my grandmother, me buy it for her. Yeah.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the floor.
This is what the living room is looking like now. We're not finished yet. We still finish decorator. So you know, so the curtain here from young, my mother did sew the curtain here, and we go back to basics and we did a declutter and we never gonna throw it away. Them set I give here, and when me bring alone. So just imagine when the rest of the people and stuff come. See kitchen there, them a sort out the dining table.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
There's some see me when I come me think me done.
Me not done come out here.
When I come me think me done on my next bag of gift there so me fine. No sir.
So when I just
Think about it, Uncle Carl. 9 and I that me check up. So 9 away, excluding Renee and Taylor then 7. 9. 9 times 9 is how much? This is doubled up.
So nearly 100 before I saw.
So first and foremost,
You sure it's a pass 100?
it pass 100 man.